Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have another package. This one is from Espace Tricot, and if you know that I love their podcast, I love their yarn, I love their kits, and their patterns. I guess they don't have their own yarn, but they sell yarn, and that's what I got this time. So I ordered several skeins, and they come from Canada. Sorry, I'm trying to get it out of this bag. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. So I ordered enough to make a sweater, and I got this, and it is marvelous. It is called, I'm gonna butcher it, but it's Snefnug. It means snowflake, I know that much, and it is super soft. It's super nice, and it's not too, I don't know, it's a pricier yarn, I'm gonna say. It's 55% alpaca and 10% extra fin. I don't know, I can't read it, and then 35% something else. So I'll just hold this up here so you guys can see it. Hopefully it'll come on. Well, it's not focusing. Are you gonna focus? Are you gonna think about focusing? I'm sorry, it's just not doing it. But it is very, very soft and very, very nice. And I don't know, but I think it's a worsted or a bulky. It's 50 grams. It says it is 110 meters. And I don't even know what size it recommends. It looks like a 4 to 6, but I don't know if that's like a centimeter size. I'm not real sure, but I just know it's really pretty, and they made something with it. It just made me fall in love with it. So I got 11 of these. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes, I got 11 of these, and then I got 3 of these, and this is beautiful. It's by Lichen and Lace, and it is mohair galore. See that halo? That's not my halo. That's on the yarn. I know it's hard to tell sometimes because mine might be shining through. It's marsh mohair, 72% kid mohair, and 28% silk. And it is 50 grams, 459 yards. And it is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And this is in the color pewter. So I thought that these would look really nice together. And I have something in mind for them. So hopefully that's what I will do. So thanks for watching, guys. And I will talk to you soon. And check out Espace Tricot. You will not be disappointed. They have some beautiful things. Absolutely gorgeous. Thanks for watching.